Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Portrait Tech, and today we're gonna be unboxing this Spigen Thin Fit case for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, but before I get into this video, please head on down below. I would really appreciate if you could subscribe and get me to 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost there, guys. I'm at almost 800 subscribers right now at the time of this video, and I'll definitely appreciate if you could subscribe and get me to that 1,000 subscribers. All right, it would be greatly appreciated. All right, so thank you for even clicking on the channel and checking my video out. So let's go ahead and unbox this case right here. So again, let's look at it. It's the iPhone 13 Pro Max 6.7-inch screen 2021, and this is gonna be the Spigen Thin Fit case, and we do have it in black right here, black at the bottom. So let's go ahead and take this out and take a look at it, see what we have here. All right, let's unbox this. There we go. Put the plastic and the case. I'm gonna put this aside for now so we have space to work with right here. So let's look at this. It does seem a little glossy for some reason, but it's got a lot of grip. If that's something you're worried about with this case, it's got a lot of grip. Even though it looks so glossy, it's not really slippery at all. It does have the Spigen engravement in the back here. On the right side of the case, we have a power button cutout right here, but it does have like a two-tone look right here. If you can see real close, let me get that focused for you. There we go. So you can see it has a matte finish at the top here and the glossy finish at the back here. So it's kind of feel rubbery at the top here, but then a hard plastic in the back. That's how it feels, but it looks really nice. This two-tone look, it really nice. It's really nice, guys. So in the bottom here, it's all that rubber look, and it's a single piece case. It's not like some of those cases with the rubber and then you slap that plastic bumper on. It's different. This is not a two-part case. It's just one piece, but has two different textures to it. So this is a rubber report at the top here and the buttons, and the back here is like hard plastic, but it does have some grip here. So we have our regular cutouts here, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the phone, see what it looks like. Let's go here. We're gonna put this on our phone. Goes on really nice, feels really tight and snug. All right, so before I flip this phone over here, so you can see on the front it does offer some protection here. It has a little lip going over the screen, so if you put your phone face down, it does have protection, or if it falls face down. On the back here, looks really nice on the phone. On the back you can see your camera cutout here. It has a lip going over the cameras, so if your phone falls on the back, or if you place it down on a hard surface, your cameras are protected. Okay, on the side here we have our silent switch cutout here. Let's turn that on and off, and as you can see, I can reach it pretty easily. It's not too bad. Feels really nice. Or volume up and down button here, nice and soft and clicky. You don't have to do too much to get those buttons to respond. On the right hand side, it's the same thing. Let's do the power button. Feels really soft and clicky, so that's easy to press. And on the top here, I'm not sure if you could see on the camera that is raised a little bit at the speaker grill right here, just so the speaker is not muffled. You can hear everything loud and clear through the speakers, and this case is really nice. So that's how it looks from the side. From the face, we're gonna look at it from the top. That's how it look, and then you're gonna see the back here. So this is a nice case if you're in the market looking for one of these cases. Hope this video helps you out. So, all right, and I'm gonna have the link in the description for this case, so you can just go ahead, click the link and make your purchase. And I'm gonna have the link for the iPhone 13 and the 13 Pro as well. So we're doing the Pro Max right now, but I'm gonna have the links for the 13 and the 13 Pro. So if you have one of those models, then you could always purchase the case for your model depending on which one you have. Okay, and remember, please head on down below, hit the subscribe button, and turn your notification bell on to get notified for my next video. and please help and get me to that 1,000 subscribers. I'd really appreciate it. All right, so this is the case. Let's take another look before I end this video. That's it right there. On the back, on the side, the bottom. Let's turn it around a little bit so you can see. That's it. And then the front. Okay, so thank you for watching. That's the end of the video. Remember, hit that subscribe button, get me to that 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching again, guys. Peace.